Welcome to the wonder of knowing your genetic brain profile. Ever look at siblings and think how very different they are? Or why can we do some things so quickly, easily, and successfully, but others remain an uphill battle? And why are some relationships just lekker and others such hard work? If most of us are punctual to a fault, why do some people find it impossible to be on time or struggle to make a deadline? Some people seem to be so happy in their own thoughts, while others will find a way to express themselves. These and a myriad of other differences stem from before and determine how nurture, exposure, and experience will impact our lives. It lies in how our brains are differently wired to function, and what our unique default settings, so to speak, are. Whatever our age or stage in life, our genetic brain profile, or GBP for short, can accurately be determined, and understanding the insights positively impacts most everything we do. There are many assessments available to find out what we are good at and to help us to make choices. The most used assessment is an ability test. Should we try to understand our potential and make decisions based on these results only, we have a 58% chance of a good match. The genetic brain profile pushes that statistic up to over 90%, and there is a very good reason for that. Most traditional assessments rely on personal responses to some extent and can give you different results if you are ill or stressed. It may also give different results at different times. GBP is derived from a range of neuroscience disciplines, but primarily based on educational kinesiology. It doesn't take your age, gender, race, or status into account and cannot be manipulated. It is a totally unique assessment that will pinpoint your genetic blueprint of brain dominances. This blueprint is part of your DNA. It was established at conception and it will never change. As humans, we are designed with an astonishing capacity to not only survive, but thrive. The goal is to determine how you are programmed to function from birth and to use your innate strengths and sensitivities to your advantage so you can enjoy being the best possible version of yourself. By assessing the dominance of your hemisphere, hand, foot, eye, and ear, your profile will determine the following: how you function under normal circumstances, how you function during stress, what specifically causes you to stress, how you hear and process auditory information, how you observe and process what you see, which intelligences you were born with, and which ones need to be developed, your natural concentration span, your natural patience levels, your natural interpersonal skills, your decision-making preferences, specific relationship needs and challenges, and suitable sports and hobbies. It is worth noting that any combination of the 5 modalities are possible. Being left-handed doesn't automatically mean that you are right brain dominant, although the left hand does work from the right hemisphere. In fact, there are 32 profiles, each with 3 sub-profiles, and each of them comes with their own set of unique properties. GBP feedback is tailored for each age group, and children as young as 5 years can be assessed. For young children, we focus on things that can impact their early school life, such as routine, adjusting to change, and where is best to sit in class. Also, possible difficulties, such as learning how to read or write, attention span, and sensitivities. If we know what may challenge them, we can manage it before it becomes a problem for them. And knowing their strengths helps parents and teachers to develop and nurture what they are likely to succeed in. For adolescents, we look at subject choices, study disciplines that work for them, and career guidance. And as, if not more important, GBP shows them their greatness. Insights aids self-esteem, social understanding, and well-being. For adults, their GBP holds tremendous value since it can be relayed to real-life experience. Understanding the part our brain profile played in what motivated us and brought us to be, where we are, and what actually drives our decisions. Why do we overthink the things we do, but are not bothered enough with others? Why do we flourish in some situations and around certain people, but feel apprehensive or defensive elsewhere? Your GBP insights will bring about some pleasant aha moments. But most importantly, you will understand your remarkable capacity and how to direct your efforts to thrive. For yourself, as a partner, parent, co-worker, leader, and in all the other roles you fulfill. With knowing all this, it goes without saying that since we take our entire selves to work every day, there are tremendous benefits to utilizing GBP in businesses. It increases collaboration, can foster innovation and productivity, guides development, and enables employers to proactively mitigate workplace stress that affect high performance. A confident, self-aware staff complement that work well together makes for a healthy culture. GBP's team building, matching, leadership and development applications provide far-reaching benefits for individuals and groups alike. So, wherever we find ourselves in life, understanding our GBP is priceless. Knowing how our natural strengths, likely pitfalls, our motivations and execution comes together can enable us to live healthier, happier and more fulfilling lives.